The Framework Laptop 12 isn't just another compact machine, it's the future of flexible, repairable computing, designed with purpose. This 12.2-inch convertible laptop features a full 360-degree hinge, a bright touchscreen, and stylus support, all wrapped in a chassis that defies expectations. It's light, powerful, modular, and built to last. At the heart of the Framework Laptop 12 lies its 12.2-inch 1920 by 120 touchscreen display, pushing over 400 nits of brightness, perfect for outdoor use. It supports the latest USI 2.0 stylus protocol, making it ideal for students, creators, and anyone who loves to sketch, write, or mark up documents directly on screen. Powered by 13th Gen Intel Core i3 or i5 processors, the Framework Laptop 12 delivers serious performance in a small form factor, with clock speeds up to 4.6 GHz and 10-core configurations. Multitasking is seamless. Whether you're editing documents, coding, or watching high-res content, this little machine keeps up without breaking the sweat. Upgradability is in Framework's DNA, and the Laptop 12 stays true to that philosophy. It supports up to 48 GB of DDR5 RAM and 2 TB of M.2 2230 NVMe SSD storage, and because it's modular, you can upgrade or replace components easily, ensuring your laptop grows with you. Connectivity, it's all about choice. The Framework expansion card system lets you decide exactly which ports you need: USB-C, USB-A, HDMI, micros, and more, all swappable and positionable based on your workflow. No more dongle life. You build it your way. Wi-Fi 6E support is on board, too, giving you the latest in wireless performance across 2.4, 5, and 6 GHz bands. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or video conferencing, your connection stays stable and fast, but performance is nothing without durability. Framework didn't hold back here. The Laptop 12 meets MILS DD810 standards for durability, with a shock-absorbing chassis built from overmolded TPU and an inner metal frame. It's made to withstand bumps, drops, and real-world use. To prove it, Framework ran the Laptop 12 through grueling tests: a 48-inch drop-on plywood, 20,000 power button presses, and over 1 million touchscreen taps. This isn't a fragile ultrabook, it's a tool you can trust, day in and day out. And the form factor, it's perfect. Clamshell mode for typing, tent mode for watching, tablet mode for writing and drawing. It adapts to how you work, study, or create, all in a compact design that fits in your bag, your tray table, or your crowded desk without compromise. Privacy is built in, with physical hardware switches for the camera and microphone. You get peace of mind at the flick of a finger. And the 1080p webcam with an 80-degree FOV keeps you sharp in meetings, calls, and content. Audio matters too. Side-mounted to W stereo speakers keep sound crisp and full. No matter the mode you're using, whether in tent, clamshell, or tablet configuration, the Framework Laptop 12 delivers clear, immersive audio. And here's the fun part: customization. Go pre-built in sleek black, or go DIY and pick your favorite from 5 expressive colorways: sage, bubblegum, lavender, gray, or classic black. Pair it with the matching stylus for a complete look that's as bold or subtle as you want. Choose between the DIY edition, where you bring your own RAM, storage, and OS, including Linux, or go pre-built with Windows 11, ready out of the box. Either way, you get a machine that's modular, repairable, and future-proof. This laptop isn't just designed for you, it's designed to last for real. Easy to repair, easy to upgrade, and built with sustainability in mind. That's the Framework difference. And with every pre-order, you're supporting a movement toward a more open, customizable, and responsible tech ecosystem. If you're building your next portable powerhouse or looking for a laptop that finally puts you in control, the Framework Laptop 12 is a no-brainer. Flexibility, performance, durability, and personality all in one. Like, share, and subscribe to stay updated on more forward-thinking tech just like this.